Ring Battery Doorbell 2024 review.
Looking to upgrade your home security? The new Ring Battery Doorbell might just be your front door's best friend. Let's break it down fast. This version gives you head-to-toe HD video, so you can actually see packages on the ground and the face that dropped them off. Plus, crystal clear two-way talk.
Installation? Super simple. It's wireless and battery-powered, so no hardwiring needed. Just mount it, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're set. It looks slick in satin nickel and integrates smoothly with Alexa. You can even view the feed on your Echo Show or set up routines. Pros: easy setup, great night vision, smart alerts, full body video. Cons: you'll need a Ring Protect plan for full features. No local storage, everything's in the cloud. Overall, it's a solid, stylish upgrade that delivers on security. Links in the description if you want to check it out.